Hello everyone. Lately, as you can see, my open case became pretty cramped with components, and one of the GPUs was even standing on its own, and I figured the motherboard takes up too much space. And I started exploring the options. I saw those nice open frame cases made of aluminum extrusion, but they would never support 4 GPUs, and there were separate products, and I figured I would just make my own. So I've ordered some aluminum extrusion from the one company I found on the internet. They cut perfectly to the size you need. I've also bought some additional hardware like GPU brackets, nuts, angle brackets as well, then PCB standoffs, and assembled it all together. So far it's looking good in my view. Then I proceeded with mounting the motherboard and the power supply. So in order to mount the power supply, I've decided to make those 3D printed improvised brackets. In order to connect 4 GPUs using Oculink, I'm using this bifurcation card and this Oculink to PCIe adapter. The great thing about it is that it is powered by SATA port, which turned out to be very fragile, so I had to resolder it. I highly recommend you do the same before using it, and I even added some drops of super glue just to make sure. Let's mount the GPUs now. The case turned out great. There's plenty of airflow between GPUs, and there is still space for another one. Now let's see how it is performing.